Om Shanti. Welcome to Avyakti Parivar, all of you. आज 2 दिसंबर. We'll listen to Sister Mohini now. Om Shanti. Before anything, all the Avyakti children, congratulations with their zeal and enthusiasm in front of us to remain always happy. To remain always happy, they have kept very good points. So my best wishes are with you. Also in December month, it becomes a vain due to the holidays as the new year is going to start. Old year actually gets over, completed. So the treasure of happiness and the food of happiness, we will have reflections today. For the food of the body, we talk about how to eat, how to make food in Baba's remembrance. Today I was thinking about what about food of the soul. Soul's food is thought. As the thought, so is the outcome. So whatever is the food, accordingly the experience will be there. But in the soul, mind and intellect always remain happy. The food is main, and the food is the thought, and the thought remains in the memory. Today I was thinking that whole day there are thoughts getting created, but which type of thoughts it should get created? But which treasures I should keep thinking about? So particular thoughts keeps going on whole day. Baba always gives example that this is the income also. So the one who earns the income, he also keeps the account of the income. So as far as possible, normally our thoughts are based on particular situations. So every minute there is a thought that should I think about situation or what else I should think. So Baba says that there is no food like happiness. So when we eat, we think about how the food is. Is it tasty? What is the color of the food, vegetables? We think about that. Similarly, soul makes body to eat. So Baba's room is very small, and there was a small table, and Baba used to call people to sit with them. So once he called me, and Baba, the way he used to cut the roti, used to feel that he is actually giving food to the Shiv Baba's chariot. He has that feeling and the happiness. Or sometimes I also think today that even I am not able to think that way. So Baba used to take small pieces of roti and mix it with the dal. So he used to eat very slowly and gradually and enjoy that. But the face of Baba, Brahma Baba, it was like fragrance, and also the shining was there. So whatever we do, what soul should get actually while we eat the food? The soul also should get something. Just like when we stay on the gas station, so driver will think while the gas is being filled that I will have some sandwich or something else. Similarly, while doing every karma, I have given food to the body. While I was while I was eating my food, I was thinking that I have given food to my body, but what did I give to the soul? If we give food to the soul also, then soul also will get the food, and even body will be healthy, and health of the soul also will be good. Or when soul's health is good, then body's health will naturally be good, or body gets the power. So what is the food? Food of the soul. Happiness is the food for the soul. And when we are giving food to the body, even we eat with happiness. Like when there is a birth of baby, doctors tell that you sing a song or play some song, so that child who are actually having the milk, at the same time they are listening the music. So it's two ways, right? So if you have music played, then child will have the milk with happiness along with the music. So when milk bottle is given to the child, so as you can see, child's hands and legs are kind of moving. So as if they are drinking the milk with happiness. All are Baba's child. Uh, Body is bigger. I feel that I still remember that days of childhood. How did I eat? What mama ate? What dadi ate? How they ate? So whatever I learned earlier, I remember, and also while taking care of the body, and eat the food with happiness. When we eat with happiness, soul and body, not only they will remain healthy, but our body and mind will be also in godly service, in Baba's remembrance. And with Baba's remembrance, godly service will continue. Or this food of happiness will always keep body and soul healthy. Om Shanti. The,
खुराक नहीं.
there is no food like happiness. Those who remain happy, they will be powerful.
खुशी जैसी खुराक नहीं,
There is no food like happiness. The one who remains happy will be powerful. This happiness is also a food which makes all souls always powerful.